Hi everyone, this is Matthew again. Today is 1st of October 2020. As you can see, we're in the trading section right now, and briefly before we move on, the TOUCHSCALPER bot version 4.1 is out today, and we have sent it to those who have previously purchased the bot. Just check your email. We sent you 2 versions today, the one for the deriv interface and the one for binary.com interface. So check your emails and download the 2 versions. For those who haven't purchased the boots, just visit www.touchscalper.citywidetechnologies.com.ng to purchase the boots. And here are some results of the boots today. This is a binary.com interface, and this is deriv interface right here. Here are some of the results for today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channels for more upcoming strategies. Don't forget to subscribe to the channels for more upcoming strategies. So we are close here. We have a few seconds left before the trade is closed, and we are already in profit. So after this, we'll explain what this strategy is actually all about. So we've won the trade there, and we made about 10%. So let's get back to the strategy. So here, make sure you are using the smart trader. So let me close this. Make sure you are using the smart trader. So what we are going to be doing is this. Once you change to smart trader, you change this to volatility 25 index. That's volatility 25 index. Then you come right here, you go to the in and out, then you click on stays between. So once you click on it, the durations will be 2 minutes. The barrier offset is plus 2.724, and the low barrier offset is minus 2.9298. So what is there is that once this is parallel, you can see it's a bit the wall movement here is pushing down. Once it's parallel, we are going to be clicking on the stays between. You can see it's a bit going down there. Once it's looking like a flat, you can see it's like it's pushing down. So let's wait for it to be up there. Once it's a bit straight, and it's not, so it's straight there. So then you view the trade. So let's wait for the outcome of this one. Our barriers are not visible yet. Once you see the dot line, that's when you know if the barrier is visible. It's going to appear on this section. This is the barrier line. This is the entry spot, and the exit spot is, we have not reached there yet. So we still have about 1 minute 17 seconds. Still in between. We have about 51 seconds, 50. Still in between, and the barriers are not visible yet. So okay, as you can see, we won the trade again. So let's go for another trade before we proceed to the next strategy. The next strategy will be similar to this one, but we are going to trade another volatility index. So Let's wait. You can see it's a bit parallel there again. The movement of this one, and it's a bit parallel. You can see it's pushing up there. So when it's a bit parallel, we can click on purchase. It's facing down. We are going to be clicking on stays between, don't forget. Okay, it's a bit straight there. So let's view the trade. Let's view the trade and okay. Still have some like a minute and a few seconds left right here. Is the entry spot, but our barriers are not visible yet. We have about 20 seconds left. Okay, there you go. We are settled. As you can see, we made about 10.02% profit right there. So if you go on and on and on, you keep on making a lot of money with this strategy. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We will drop some few strategies again today. Just hit the subscribe button. And if you haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER booth, the version 4.1 is out today, 1st of October 2020. Just visit the website www.touchscalper.ctydechnologies.com.ng to purchase the booth. You can make your payments using Bitcoin, web money, perfect money, bank transfer, debit card, and all that. So thanks for watching. Bye.